Okay, hi everyone. Here's another video I think you'll like. Oh, here's this 1050 that the last video you seen that was just running after I finished building it again. Well, I'm going to do a cold start. Not much of a cold start today. It was started yesterday, but still a cold start. It's probably about 45, 50 out. And been sitting in the same spot for about like 3 weeks because there's deer hanging in the shed that my brother shot. As you can tell, that's why Al Chalmers is over there under the tarp. He can tarp his stuff, but not mine. But yeah, we'll start this. I'm not going to sit on it. I don't have ass protection today. And as you can tell, ass protection is required. But yeah, it should start right up. So, let me just walk over here and put you on my tripod. Yes, that's a tripod. I don't have money to buy a real one because I don't have a real camera. There we go. Forgot the keys. And you saw me almost slip and bust my ass. Should fire right up. Well, there you go. It's running pretty good. Idle's pretty somewhat good. Not really, but sort of. Well, there you go. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please rate and comment.